This trinocular microscope delivers a very broad magnification range, from low-power survey views up to detailed 5,000 times inspection, making it suitable for serious hobbyists and laboratory work alike. Paired wide-field eyepieces in 2 strengths, along with additional magnifying lenses and an electronic eyepiece, give flexible viewing options, whether you are using your eyes directly or capturing images on a screen. The achromatic objective system with an infinity-style optical design produces sharp, color-accurate images that make fine cellular details much easier to distinguish during long sessions. A solid metal frame, smooth dual coaxial focusing controls, and a double-layer mechanical stage provide a stable, precise platform that feels dependable during delicate adjustments. Bright adjustable light-emitting diode illumination and a rotatable head support, comfortable viewing angles and clear lighting for a wide variety of prepared slides and specimens. The generous accessory bundle, including prepared slides, cover slips, cleaning tools, and a phone holder, helps new users start exploring immediately without needing to buy extra pieces.